Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to leave a scheduled group video chat on the Telegram app using your PC, following the newest update. It's simple and only takes a few steps, so let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're inside, find and open the group where the scheduled video chat is happening. This could be any group you're a member of or managing. Next, look for the video chat window within the group. This is usually found at the top of the chat interface or in the pinned section if the video chat is scheduled or ongoing. Click to open the video chat. Now, to leave the scheduled video chat, find and click the close button. This is your first step to exit the chat properly. After clicking close, a confirmation menu will pop up. Here, make sure to uncheck or deselect the option that says Abort Video Chat. This is important because leaving the group chat without unchecking this option prevents you from accidentally ending the entire scheduled video chat for everyone. Finally, after unchecking Abort Video Chat, click the close button again to complete the process and leave the video chat. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully left a scheduled group video chat on Telegram using your PC without interrupting the ongoing or scheduled video meeting for others. This latest update makes managing group chats and video calls easier and avoids accidental cancellations. Thanks for watching.